DJI is set to make 2024 an exciting year for drone enthusiasts, with a lineup that promises to push the boundaries of what's possible. From the highly anticipated Mavic 4 series to the potential Air 3S or Air 4, along with the compact yet powerful Mini 5 Pro and the beginner-friendly Neo, DJI is redefining consumer drones. Let's dive into what we know so far and explore how these new releases could revolutionize aerial photography and videography. Recent leaks have offered a glimpse into what might be the Mavic 4, and while it may initially resemble older models with its familiar obstacle avoidance sensors, there's a lot more happening beneath the surface. For those acquainted with DJI's lineup, it's clear that this points to a successor to the Mavic 3 Pro rather than a consumer-focused model like the DJI Air 3S, which also made headlines earlier this year. The new rounded housing style for the main camera gimbal suggests that DJI is refining the design for better aerodynamics. This could translate into longer flight times with the same battery capacity, a significant improvement for drone users. The presence of Hasselblad branding is no surprise, but it's what lies beneath that has sparked interest. A trusted source has corroborated these details with a video showing the same drone in action, confirming the authenticity of the design. The styling is unmistakably DJI, and a label on the camera module hints that this drone is in an advanced stage of development. The gimbal redesign appears to incorporate a larger triple camera setup, potentially featuring bigger sensors than the Mavic 3 Pro. Bigger sensors generally lead to enhanced low-light performance and sharper images, suggesting that DJI is aiming to elevate its image capturing capabilities. The drone itself shows signs of wear, typical of rigorous testing, which indicates DJI's commitment to perfecting this model before its official release. Considering DJI's track record, we could also see advancements in AI-powered obstacle avoidance and tracking features. When we look back at the Mavic 3 Pro, which launched in May 2023, it introduced a triple camera system, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and Active Track 5.0. If these leaks are accurate, the Mavic 4 could push these features even further. While the exact specifications of the new camera modules remain a mystery, the larger gimbal and camera units signal a potential leap forward in imaging technology. As for the release date, it's still uncertain, but DJI's past patterns offer some clues. The DJI Air 3 was announced in July 2023, and the Mavic 3 series had its own staggered releases between 2021 and 2023. If DJI follows a similar timeline, the Mavic 4 might still be some time away, possibly trailing the DJI Air 3S on the release schedule. Now let's dive into what could be DJI's next major release, the DJI Air 3S. If you've been following the rumors, you know this drone is generating a lot of excitement. Recently, a leaked photo shared by Idolv on Twitter has sparked even more buzz, revealing a sleek, redesigned dual-camera system. Like the DJI Air 3, the Air 3S features a dual-camera setup, but with a more refined and aerodynamic design. The gimbal's angled edges suggest improvements in efficiency and flight time, although the image resolution makes it difficult to discern specific details like field of view or aperture. The Air 3S also appears to have forward obstacle avoidance sensors and a sensor array on its underside, similar to the current Air 3. However, what's really intriguing is the speculation that DJI might introduce LiDAR sensors to this model. If true, the Air 3S would be the first consumer-level drone to feature LiDAR, potentially revolutionizing flight performance and obstacle detection, making precision flying and safety even more advanced. There's also considerable interest in the Air 3SS camera specs. Rumors suggest it will feature both a 1 by 1.3-inch sensor and a larger 1-inch sensor. Comparing the leaked images with the Air 3, the Air 3SS larger sensor housing supports this theory. This upgrade could offer better low-light performance and higher resolution images, a significant step up from the Air 3's dual 1 by 1.3-inch sensors. A video from Quadro News gave us a sneak peek of the Air 3S in action, spotted flying outside DJI's headquarters in Shenzhen. The footage hints at notable design changes, including encased propellers, a larger gimbal, and a new sensor array on the front, suggesting that DJI is aiming for improvements in both performance and safety. When comparing the Air 3S to its predecessor, the differences start to stand out. We could see increased flight time, enhanced camera capabilities, and a more advanced obstacle avoidance system. If DJI continues to innovate at this pace, the Air 3S could set a new standard for mid-range consumer drones, combining the best features of previous Air models into one impressive package. And there's more on the horizon. DJI is also expected to release the highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro around September 2024. This compact drone is rumored to feature a significant upgrade with a 1-inch sensor, a notable improvement from the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1.3-inch sensor. If these rumors hold true, the Mini 5 Pro will offer improved dynamic range and better low-light performance, enhancing the quality of aerial shots. Additionally, with support for 4K video at 60 frames per second, this drone could push the boundaries of what compact drones can achieve, delivering stunning video quality that's typically reserved for higher-end models. Let's delve into some key improvements expected with the DJI Mini 5 Pro, particularly addressing some of the Mini 4 Pro's limitations. One notable enhancement is the increase in internal storage. The Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to feature at least 8 GB of internal storage, a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 2 GB. This expansion means fewer interruptions for media transfers and more continuous filming, making it ideal for those who prefer to capture every moment without the constant worry of running out of space. Battery life is another area where the Mini 5 Pro aims to make a considerable impact. The goal is to achieve approximately 40 minutes of flight time per charge, a notable improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's more modest gains in this area. This extended battery life will provide more freedom to explore and capture stunning shots without frequent battery checks. In terms of pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to fall within the $750 to $800 range. This positions it in the premium compact drone market, so it will need to meet high expectations to justify the cost. The rumored upgrades, enhanced camera capabilities, increased storage, and extended flight time suggest that DJI is aiming to set a new standard for compact drones. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to be a significant player in the drone world. With potential camera improvements, increased storage, and better battery life, it looks set to build on the success of its predecessors and redefine expectations for compact drones. The drone community is eagerly awaiting its official release in September, hopeful that these exciting rumors will turn into a reality and offer the upgrade many have been anticipating. Lastly, let's turn our attention to the DJI Neo, a drone designed with newcomers in mind, aiming to make entry into the world of drones less daunting. As DJI's latest offering for beginners, the Neo is packed with features that enhance safety and ease of use. Recent leaked photos from Jasper Ellens reveal a quadcopter with fully integrated propeller guards. These guards are a significant safety feature, ideal for indoor flying or for those just starting out. They help prevent accidents in confined spaces, making the Neo an excellent choice for beginners and even children. Portability is another standout aspect of the Neo. Weighing just 135 grams, this drone is exceptionally lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're flying indoors or taking it on a weekend getaway, the Neo's compact size makes it an attractive option. Priced around $329 for the Fly More combo, which includes 3 batteries, it's positioned competitively in the beginner drone market. In terms of features, the DJI Neo offers a respectable 16-minute flight time, which is solid for its size, though not groundbreaking. What sets it apart is its rumored compatibility with DJI's Goggles 3, potentially allowing first-person view flying. This could be a game-changer for beginners interested in immersive FPV experiences without a hefty investment. Additional features include AI subject tracking, quick shots, and 4K ultra-stabilized video. Impressive specs for a beginner-focused drone. Design elements like multiple control options and a palm takeoff and landing feature underscore DJI's commitment to user-friendliness. The Neo's compact form and enclosed propellers suggest it's well-suited for tight indoor spaces while still capable of capturing smooth, high-quality footage. The DJI Neo appears poised to be a notable addition to DJI's lineup, particularly for those new to drones or seeking a portable, feature-rich option. With its official release rumored to be around August 20th, it's one to watch. We're eager to see how it performs once it hits the market. What about you? Which upcoming DJI drone are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.